SWISHER Homestead here. Welcome to our channel, guys. I am Justin. My wife is Amy. We moved here from the city to start our own homestead out in the middle of nowhere with no experience whatsoever, and we're doing it and doing it right. So here you see we got our pile, our wood pile behind me. This is a wood pile of all the stuff that I grabbed with a grapple on the skid steer. We stacked it up. Now I was going to cut this down for some more firewood, but seeing how my chainsaw is not doing well, as you saw in a previous video, you'll know that that's the reason why we're not using it for firewood. We just don't have the money to go out there and buy a new chainsaw, so we gotta wait. Oh, we wait, no big deal. So we got this, and you're gonna see me and Amy clean all this up out here and over there, and you're gonna get to see a lot of changes and fast forward motion, which will be coming up soon. But yeah, this is it, man. This is what we're doing today. Projects never end on the homestead. We're trying to make the homestead even better. Now, I want to plant grass here. And not just any grass. I talked to an old timer, went and picked up some hay from him for our grass around the front, which is coming in real good. I'll get you guys a video on that. And I bought some feed hay from him, which is fescue, some orchard, and something else that he's got in there that he grows on his farm or out in his pastures that he cuts down and does bales of hay. It's really good stuff. I have to give him a thumbs up. It's awesome. And what we do is some of that hay that I planted around here has seed already in it. So I bought some regular seed, regular grass seed. And the first thing we're going to have to do when we come in here is we're going to have to metal rake all this, clean out all the roots, cut all the stuff up, get all the stuff clean, get it all leveled off, and then we're going to plant our grass. Now, I'm going to throw the grass seed down. I do it by hand. I don't do it with a spreader or anything. I don't like spreaders to spread grass. I like doing it by hand because I can see, I can judge it. That's my way I like to do it. You do it your way. So we're going to take, anyways, we're going to level all this down. You guys get to see that. We're going to get it metal raked, and then we're going to leaf rake it. Now the plus about leaf rake is just dragging it over top of it real gentle so we can get a nice layout for that. Now when I throw the grass seed down and the fescue and the orchard, the hay, what's going to happen is there's seeds there. This is going to become an area where we can feed whatever we got. We can feed our goats if we decide to get goats. We can feed our horses if we decide to get horses, cows, whatever, pigs, whatever. But we can feed them off of this area, and all back in through there we're going to have grass also. So it's a way for you to make a feed for your animals and do it cheaply, because it's got seed on it. So why not? That drops, that'll grow, that'll start, that'll break down like everything else, and we'll be able to feed. It'll be a full pasture done for animals, and we're going to get to work now. So enough of me talking. Let's get to work.